Hey, today we're going to be changing a gas cap on a GSXR 1000. It's going to be pretty similar for all the other sport bikes out there. They're almost all identical. My bike's got rust in the tank. If you watch the previous video, you'll see that I tried derusting the tank. So I think what's going on is my seal's actually gone in the gas cap. So if you've got similar symptoms, you'll want to check this video out and follow along. Alright, so finally got the Ninja sold, hopefully. Just waiting for the buyer next week. But, you know, here's the 1000. It's got rust in the tank, like I mentioned. Here's my attempt at air sealing the, the existing old gas cap. And I'm hoping it kind of kept the air out for the last 3 or 4 weeks. So let's take this all off here. We'll remove the old gas cap, and I'll show you guys the new Amazon gas cap I got. I didn't spend the money on the expensive Vortex one. I just kind of cheaped out. Heard good reviews from the Amazon one, and yeah, I'm hoping it keeps the air out, and it's one of those keyless ones where you just rotate it out. So let's pull this off and we'll get after it. I can already smell fuel actually leaking through the side here. I got the garage door opened up. Yeah, it's quite strong actually. Alright, so here's the gas tank cap. Keyless one, like I was saying. Just it opens pretty quick actually once you get it worked in. You know, so it has 4 bolts. Now, if I remember correctly, some of these are just dummy bolts. They don't actually do anything. You know, they line up 1, 2, 3, 4, and it comes with 4 new bolts, and most importantly, a new seal. So let's go ahead and remove this old one. I think it should be a 4mm Allen. Yeah, 4mm. That'll get you. Now I think you'll need your key, yeah, to unlock it and open it. And you can see mine, I've got rust all on the inside. This mechanism's also rusted. Put that down. I got the new tank cap, so yeah, there's only 4 screws that hold the actual cap in there. It's pretty basic. You just rotate it around, line them up. And I dropped my last one on the floor here. Yeah, definitely I can feel the rubber grommet getting compressed right now actually. Yeah, so this should be a much better seal. All right, well that took all of about 5 minutes. Yeah, I can't smell no more gas. Right away, as soon as I took that that tape off, I could smell fuel like pretty strongly. So I know that the seal was gone on the old gas cap. So this is way better seal. I shouldn't be getting any more rust in my tank, hopefully. And yeah, we can keep going on the project bike. The next video, I think I'm going to start sanding down some fairings and getting ready to repaint the fairings. So yeah, if you own an early generation 1000 or 750 or even a 600 GSXR, you want to consider subscribing. I've already got a few videos on taking the fairings apart, derusting the tank, and we're pretty much going to be more or less redoing the majority of the bike. Probably get into some exhaust stuff, and I've got to change some fork oil coming up here too shortly. So fork oil and the seals, all that stuff. So yeah, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.